Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Ali Gatie, many times here, showed up here on Going Guitar. This time, nobody like us, and that's what I feel with you guys here on Going Guitar. Nobody like us. Let's dive into this song. And we have pretty much two different chord progressions here. And the first round of it, the first variation of it will be for the first 2 minutes, and then the second one it turns to that one about 1 minute and 57 seconds into the song, and it goes like that for the rest of the song. So we have these chords we need to learn then, and it's 8 different chords. So let's take a look at the first round, variation of this chord progression. We start with a capo here set on the 2nd fret. That's the easiest scenario to have all these 8 chords as easy as possible. So let's go with the first one. That's the E. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Then we have the C sharp minor. It's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 4th fret. Alright, and you bar all strings except from the last E. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we have the A sus chord here. We'll go with the sus versions here. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be the B sus. So it looks the same, but with a bar now on the 2nd fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up, so all strings except from the last E on the 2nd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on G. So that is the first version of it, the first chord progression. E, C sharp, A sus, and B sus. Alright? And then, like I said, 1 minute and 57 seconds into the song, it changes. It goes up 1 fret, so to speak, if you speak technically about the guitar. So instead of E, it will be F now, starting with that, and then D minor, and then A sharp, sus, and then C. All right. So the first chord, F, it's a bar chord placed on the 1st fret with the bar, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have D minor coming up. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. What I do there from F, I just keep my middle finger there from the F on the 2nd fret G string. Keep that and just place my fingers like this. D minor. Some technique stuff there. If that feels better for you, then do like I do. That's the D minor. Then we have the A sharp sus chord here. It's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings except from the last E again. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And the final chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that was the ending of the second version of chords there. F, D minor, A sharp, and C. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern. That's the only thing we need to know now. Everything else is known. And yeah, let's start with the first chord of the song here, the E. Okay, so with that E, you're gonna play a pretty long strumming pattern. It goes like this. A couple rounds of it. So the first part is down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, That's the first part. There's a short pause there. And then the second part will be down, clap, down. So very easy ending there, down, clap, down. So if you put them together, it will be like this, a little bit slower. All right, so that's the rhythm and tempo. So the first round will be, like I said, in the order E, C sharp, A, and B. You're gonna play one strumming around for all these chords per chord, okay? So one strumming per chord. The first version goes. And you do that for about 1 minute and 57 seconds. And then you change to this one. F. And you play that till the very end, and that pretty much covers Gatie's Nobody Like Us. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, please thumb up and like this tutorial and subscribe to this channel. Helps me a lot, and to see this channel grow gives me more motivation. So thank you for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.